Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn 6 different ways to ask someone, "Where are you going?" The first way to ask is, "Where are you off to?" This is a more casual and friendly way to inquire about someone's destination. For example, you could say, "Hey, where are you off to this weekend?" The second way is, "Where are you headed?" This is a versatile phrase that can be used in various situations. You could say, "Excuse me, where are you headed? I'm looking for the nearest coffee shop." The third way is, "Where are you bound?" This phrase has a more formal tone and is commonly used in literature or formal conversations. For instance, you could ask, "May I inquire where you are bound on this fine evening?" Next is, "What's your next destination?" This question adds a touch of curiosity and makes the conversation more engaging. For example, instead of asking, "Where are you going?" you can say, "What's your next destination?" Fifth is, "Heading anywhere exciting?" This question implies that the person is going somewhere interesting or fun. It's a great way to spark a lively conversation. For instance, instead of a mundane, "Where are you going?" you can ask, "Heading anywhere exciting?" And finally, sixth way is, "Off on an adventure?" This question suggests that the person is embarking on a thrilling journey. It's a playful way to ask about their plans. Instead of a plain, "Where are you going?" try, "Off on an adventure." Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language tips and tricks. See you next time.